Everyone is mourning the passing of a person some call Mr. Oakland, Father J. Matthews. Father J died last night of a heart attack. He was the first ordained black priest in the Oakland diocese. He died untimely, completely unexpected. May 6th last year was declared Father J. Matthews Day. That was in the Oakland Post, well, actually Oakland Crossings, and there are a number of remembrances here. Uh, and Jason Lanza, my friend who actually uh, took the place of Father J, said he's shocked by the sudden death of Father J. Matthews, my predecessor here at St. Benedict, and the current rector of the Catholic Cathedral of Christ the Light in downtown Oakland. Uh, Father J, who I lovingly refer to as Mr. Oakland, was pastor of St. Benedict Parish in East Oakland for 26 years and was the first African American Catholic priest ordained in Northern California. Jay was deeply beloved and was such a large part of our Oakland community, and he was a close personal friend. Both of us Berkeley born, baptized at St. Joseph the Worker, both police and fire chaplains for Oakland. We continue to hold his mother Yvonne, sister Linda, and other family and friends close to our hearts, as well as the cathedral community and his dear St. Benedict, which was his home parish and where Jay was pastor for these many years. Rest in peace, my dear brother Jay. Nothing says it better than what Jason wrote on Facebook. Father Jay will be missed by many. Uh, just a sad bit of news. Many more accounts and stories on Facebook. So I will leave them out of this post, out of respect for those who may not want their message so widely broadcast. But Jason provided a special set of information that I felt was publicly shareable.